Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today we have a saber sent in by Michael. He sent in an Electrum Sabercrafts Evoflex to be installed with the CFX Pixel setup. Now before we begin, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe below. Thank you. Okay Michael, here's a quick demo of your saber. So when you receive this, the first thing you're going to do is open the grip section and loosen the retention screw right here. This will allow your chassis to slip right out. And pop in your battery so the positive faces upward, negative on the speaker side. Okay, here's the chassis. You have your SO 28mm speaker, removable battery, CFX soundboard with SD card access, your spring connectors, and your NPXL V3 Pixel connector. Okay. Then all you're going to do is insert the chassis. It'll go in one way because if you notice there's a little channel on it. As you can see, I ended up putting a longer screw right here on the card clamp thing, and that's going to allow it to guide the chassis so it goes in directly the right way. So you'll notice inside we have these spring connectors along with the plates on the chassis. What this does is it allows the switches and the accent LEDs from the stock card to be fully wireless.
Sound bank selection.
Thanks for your support, Michael. If you end up having any questions after you receive this, hit me up anytime. Hope you enjoy your saber.